हेलो गाइस। तो आज हम जानेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन यूआई एंड यूएक्स डिज़ाइनर के बीच में, जो कि काफ़ी लोग नहीं जानते हैं और देखा बहुत जगह है। तो अब हम इसका फुल फॉर्म जानते हैं सबसे पहले। तो जो इसका फुल फॉर्म है, यूएक्स का यूज़र एक्सपीरियंस है और यूआई का यूज़र इंटरफेस है। और फुल फॉर्म पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग को पता तो नहीं होता बट वो रिसर्च करने बैठ जाते हैं। So as increasingly with the development of technology, more and more people are getting involved in the design. For beginners, it's important to know the difference between UI and UX design. Having a comprehensive theoretical understanding of design is the first and necessary step in becoming a UI and UX designer. So, first, we know what is user experience design. User experience design is the process of researching, developing, and improving all the aspects of user interaction with a company's product to satisfy its user. The goal is to improve the user's experience with the product through test results. Ultimately, creating a product that is useful and valuable as well as easy to obtain, pleasing to use. UX design contributes to a product that provides an effective user experience. It includes different disciplines such as visual design, interaction design, usability, and more. And now let's see what is UI design. The user interface is the visual appearance of a product, and UI design decide to how visually design the product for effective user experience. A good UI design helps attract users and ensures a pleasant product experience. The element of UI design include content such as document, text, images, videos, forms including buttons, tags, text field, checkboxes, drop-down lists, and etc. It requires UI designers to have a good sense of the aesthetic and technical skill, a creative role. The goal of UI designer is to create a compelling. Now we see the exact differences, not exact, just like little bit. See, like what is the difference between these things? So UI design and UX design always overlap, but are you really clear about their differences? No. Simply, UX design refers to use experience design and UI design refer to the user interface design. They have a close relationship in product design but serve different roles. Sorry. In terms of functionality, UI is how things look, UX is how things work. UX is a process while UI is a deliverable. But people easily confuse the two since they tend to have a symbiotic relationship and as a co-creator. So now we focus on the different focus. The most important difference between UI and UX designer is that they have a different user use for prototype. Many UI designers believe a prototype should be a hi-fi model. However, for the UX designer, an afterthought, they can more about logic. Simply speaking, when you are going to meet your customer, show them the design made by the UI designer. When you are going to meet the programmers, take the prototype made by the UX designer. So like now you are such एक आइडिया तो आप लोग को मिल रहा होगा, लाइक ये पिक्चर देख के इसको जूम करके आप समझ सकते हैं कि एग्जैक्ट में डिफरेंसेस क्या है और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं। एंड ऐसा नहीं, आप खुद से भी रिसर्च कर सकते हैं। एंड यू नो what color they use? UI design tends to prototypes in full color. Conversely, UX design generally use only three colors in prototypes: black, white, and gray. This difference can be seen commonly in designing and using icons. For example, when you need to create a bottom navigation bar, UI designer will spend lots of energy making it as realistic as possible, and including the button color before and after clicking. On the contrary, use UX designer would insert the button in the right place, the leave a note gray after clicking, and all those things. And UX is not a UI, but they do complement each other. UX make interface useful, UI makes interfaces beautiful. And what skills do you need to do such things? See, UX designer skills and responsibilities are content strategy, customer analysis, competitor analysis, product structure, prototyping and wireframing, prototyping, testing, iteration, development, planning, analytics and execution, coordinator with developers, coordinator with UI designer, analysis, iteration, tracking goals, integration, and all those things. And guys, if I'm talking about the packages and all, so guys, you have to do some hard work. स्किल्स तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. बिना स्किल्स के एंड पैकेज तुम लोग का जा सकता है 6 लाख to 24 lakh. It depends on your skills. Thank you and have a nice day.